Good morning, TJ. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. All right, guys. So, good morning. Good morning, Tom. I think that I think we're gonna move up this morning. I think we are going to take out these data highs, which are at 930 and 940. There's kind of quite a bit of liquidity up there. So I think before anything, we would probably want to take those out. All right. You can see right here, right? And also we did bounce off of this white line right here, kind of a down resistance line. We kind of broke out of that, retested it. Also on news, we kind of dropped down to it, somewhat bounced off of that, right? More on the higher time frame, so it would have been bouncing on the higher time frame. But I think looking at this, I think we are going to take out the this high at 930. So I think bullish at least to there. I don't know. Beyond that, I don't know. Oh man. Back hurts. All right. Levels besides the liquidity points that I think we could move to. Really, there's nothing because this wick took out lots of things. So we're looking at this overlap fair value gap, really tiny, up at 966 up to 970. And that's about it. Unless we move down, which I don't want us to move down, but like this is pretty reasonably within the picture, to be honest with you. All this between 580 and 672. I do like this for a potential bounce. If we were to drop down here, 672 to 658, that like 12 to 14 point area here, like that. I also like this one as well. 638, 623. This one's all right at 614 down to 600. Good morning, SK. How you guys doing this morning? Everyone a little tired, ready for the weekend? I'm ready for the weekend. I think I'm gonna... Yeah, you guys doing anything for the Super Bowl? You guys boycotting the Super Bowl, or... So yeah, he's finishing up the backtesting. I can tell you it was using a 42 range chart and some other combos, which I'll probably make, I will make a video on that this weekend at the very latest, okay? I just wanted to give him some time because I don't want people, you know, spam messaging everybody. And don't message me, please ask me what the settings are because I'll make a video over it. Birthday yesterday? Happy late birthday, man. How old? What's the age? $29? Nice. Nice. I'm gonna be hitting that pretty soon. 7 years. 7 years. Feels like it's gonna come up quick though. Did anyone do that little trick that I made a video about the other day for passing accounts? I think someone did. I hope so. That's good. I hope so. I think Steve did. Why? Thank God you're young. You're young too, man. Like 29. I think Steve did those bracket order things that I made a video about. Pass 4. Yep, we'll probably make a video this weekend about it. Yep. It's nothing crazy. I mean, it's been doing really good the past 2 to 3 months. Been doing really good the past 2 or 3 months. The rest of last year was still fine, but it had more drawdown and not tons of profit. So it's really the past few months that it's done phenomenal. So, which is fine, but like I can show you the equity chart. So you can see this is with 750 risk per trade, which is a lot. This is a whole year of testing, right? So all last year, up, down, up, down. So it still makes money, right? It still makes money. Obviously, you'd want to size down for prop firms, but like this dip right here was about 10,000 something. So that's like a 10,000 drawdown on 750 risk. So you'd have to, you know, careful about that. But like pretty much from this point, like in October to end of the year, it made 40 grand with minimal drawdown, right? So from October, basically when we released the bot, it started doing phenomenal. So yeah, I mean, you can see it's good. It does have some drawdowns still, but I mean, that's a full year, right? That's a full year. So a little bit of malfunction yesterday. Had to pick up some ULs to use the old OCO method past every decay at news this morning. Less than 1 second. Nice, TJ. Didn't do the new one. He did the short one, buy one before the news. Blow an account, pass an account. Still works like a charm. Unless you get like a really random wick that doesn't even register sometimes. Like sometimes you'll open here And then within like a millisecond, it goes, you know what I'm saying? So, but it dips just enough to stop you out and not pass an account, you know? Still can mess you up a bit there. Just one account, put OC along with. Oh, then gotcha. So the kind of the new method I made the other day. Yeah, just put an OCO order, long buy stop up here, short sell stop down here. Yeah. Nice. Works, man. Simple strat. You can do it next week as well. There's CPI next week. Yeah, CPI next Wednesday. Next Wednesday's big. Yeah, that was what the new video was about. But I don't think a lot of people know that. Yeah, next week CPI, Fed Chair Powell testifying at 10 a.m. That's gonna be a bad day to trade. And Powell testifying on Tuesday at 10 a.m. Then PP, I mean, next week's loaded. Loaded. Let's see what we do on open here, guys. Anyone have any let's do the poll. I think the market's gonna go up today till these 930s. And I'm not sure what we'll do. I mean, I'm not sure, right? But I think we do move up to 930. I've seen this before. I think we go like this. Oop. And then we might taper off. And it might just be a sideways day. Also could be the craziest day we've ever seen, so we don't actually know. But we do have 45 seconds to open, so. But you got a lot of people voted down yesterday and it went up. So if you guys are voting up, then the market's probably gonna dump. We have ES pretty much at the highs. ES is definitely gonna take these data highs. NQ's a little ways away. But let's see what happens. Be safe today though. Remember, I don't like to trade accounts I care about, funded accounts, cash accounts, whatever, on NFP day. So, but you do you. Here we go. And we're dumping. The update, SBS update, I was hoping could be this weekend. I'm not sure. Might be sometime early to mid next week, but it will get out to everybody very soon. So don't worry about it too much, all right? Might need to dip a little first. Good morning, Aramir. I need to dip a little before potentially taking out these 930s, but I do think we take out 930 high. Interesting. Yeah. All right, let's see if we can pump to 930. That'd be great. ES, we want to also pump to about 6115. Bitcoin really starting to move. The equities, we want to see, really want to see Nvidia and Tesla move here. But I do think this wick is a viable option. And if I'm right about this, everyone in here needs to subscribe if you're not subscribed, because that would be a golden prediction. Okay. ES climbing. NQ hit 918. So we're gonna want to see whatever, if there's a fair value gap here, we want to hold that. And we pretty much just want to go straight to 939. There we go. Okay, so 930 hit. That was our prediction. So you can see there was an algo right here. Look at the range chart. So from right here, 924 up to 935. Little algorithm order. 924. I'm going to mark out this. So right now seems like we want to hold we're going to want to hold this because there was something right here. You can see, look at that range chart. There is another high at 939, which I think we would, I don't think we would leave a wick right there 2 ticks away. I think we take that as well. There we go. We took that high, 939. So at this point we're pretty extended. So the data highs were taken. Tesla is starting to rip to the upside. Same with Nvidia, which is good. Meta as well, starting to rip to the upside. Again, the next level from here, we're going to want to hold above 940, and we're going to go straight to 966 if we can do that. Great prediction. Perfect prediction. Now we just want to hold this. So this, I mean, look at that range chart, right? You can tell that's an algorithm because if you click on the chart and you look at the bottom, see how it says 931.50? All this happened within, look, it was 931.5, 0.509, 0.510, 0.513. So all this happened within milliseconds. All these orders, right? So there's someone that potentially just got stopped out of a ton of shorts and bought back their shares, bought back their contracts, whatever, or someone's getting long. So either way, it's a key area, and we're gonna want to hold above that. Let's get a few more likes on the live, guys. We got 9. We're already predicting the market perfectly this morning. The next level, 966. So this one might be a little tough considering how extended we are. It is an overlap for value gap, higher time frame, and there's liquidity right there. So I would be expecting, if we do reach up there, some sort of pullback, you know, something. But another fair value gap here. We're kind of bouncing from there. So at this point, I want to see us drive straight to 960 from here. I don't want to see us chopping this too much. ES did take that as well with a very bullish candle. Okay, we're pulling back. A little bit of resistance there on ES. A little bit, just a channel right now. So again, we're gonna want to hold this right here. If we don't hold that, then we're gonna drop pretty quick. Nice wick. It's holding that 924 area that we just were talking about up to 935. Look at that nice buy wick. Check the equities. Equities still looking strong. This is when we want to see that drive. I want to see that drive up to the 66 here. Not in any positions because we've gone straight up so far, so it makes sense. Nvidia crossing 130. We did tap 966 there, so again, predicting that very nicely. See what we do here. Again, a lot of times when we're moving up like this week, we tend to pull back a little bit, chop, and then we get a random, not random, but we just fade out a little bit, and then volume kicks in and we just punch right through all the levels. So there's a chance, according to how this week's been moving, that we pull back a little bit here and then we just chop and then we go something like that, right? So let's see what happens. Bouncing from 939. So we're going to want to see NVIDIA continue upwards, because I think if NVIDIA starts to turn, it's going to make NQ suffer. ES is as well. There's a divergence here. So if we look at the 1 minute from 9, this is a high at 934. So ES more bearish than NQ. So again, what we want to see here is ES start to break to the upside. If that happens, NQ should pretty much pop through this 970 level. If not, then yeah, we are gonna drop a little bit here. Yeah, ES is more bearish than NQ. I want to see us pump. See us pump through 970. Yes, starting to break out to the upside. I want to see NQ follow it here. We don't want to see NQ start to turn more bearish. NVIDIA's having a decent sized wick here. It's not what we'd want to see. Again, no one knows what the market's actually going to do, so just have to react to it and watch it, right? Market could pump to all-time highs today, or market could dump 500 points the rest of the day, right? I mean, we don't know. Anyone know what all-time high is without me having to switch time frames or charts? Let me look, I guess. All-time high is 22,448. Looks like we have a bit of room down towards 917, 920, around here. I don't want to see us go down to, but I mean, we could pretty easily go down to it. Looks like we're forming a little bull flag, honestly. So again, ES, the highs right here. 934. That'd be, I mean, yeah, we want to see this pop up towards 970 here. ES is looking good. I like that strong push there on ES. I mean, by strong, I mean it's very unvolatile and it's only moving like 2 points. But it looks like a strong breakout. Really not that volatile though. Remember what we've been talking about all week. We tend to hit a level, pull back a little bit, and then we kind of pop through it. So if we do get some random volume here, I wouldn't be surprised if we break through that 70 level. ES strong, up towards 19. NQ starting to be more bearish than ES, so that's not what we want to see. Not what we want to see. 60, that's from 36 to 42. Yeah, so ES is now more bullish than NQ. So yeah, not surprising we're seeing a pullback here. When NQ is more bearish, I mean, it does pull back quick, right? Still no trades today, that's fine. We are on sim accounts because I don't like trading. I don't like trading accounts I care about on NFP day. All right. The poll is up or down. I think all of you voted once we already moved up. That's okay. So we're gonna want to see ES hold this fair value gap. NQ looks like we might want to pick up some speed to the downside here. Volume's tapering off though. That's actually a good sign. That volume's a little bit lower up here. I mean, it's a better sign than us having high volume and not going anywhere. So low volume in a consolidation phase, that makes sense, but that we're having lower volume at these high of prices is a better sign, yeah, than high volume up here. So are breaking down here. ES is somewhat holding this fair value gap. It's only a 1 point fair value gap, but do a poll. How's your day going? All right. Green, red, flat. I'm getting a little nervous up here. I'm not gonna lie. I'm getting a little nervous at these prices right now. Still could just be a bigger bull flag here. You kind of zoom out a little bit. ES, new highs again. So again, as we've been telling everybody this week, all this means right now is if ES starts to break down, NQ is gonna go quick. It's gonna break down quick. All right. So we do not want to see ES break down. We want to see ES continue to hold strong. We're watching out. This could be short on the 32. Yeah, on the 30-minute chart on ES, we did just break above this level, this resistance, so we'd want to see us hold above this on the higher time frame now. Missed that short by like 2 points. Most of you are flat. Well, the 5 people who voted. I like that on Tesla. But the market's doing whatever Nvidia is doing right now. Or that's what NQ is doing. So, again, little bull flag-ish like patterns on Nvidia. We want to see Nvidia break out. So back above 30.2. That's what we want to see. Remember what we mentioned early in the stream though. If we break 930, we might end up just pulling down towards 900, 880s, tapering out, kind of chopping the rest of the day. So it is choppy right now. Yes, still climbing higher. Oop, X out. Tesla pumping 379.2. Nvidia is not pumping. So if Nvidia turns around, we're gonna rocket to these highs, I think. Meta, new all-time highs, I think, 724. We're short 32 range here, top left corner. We're breaking out on the NQ chart. And Nvidia, again, we want to see Nvidia for the upside move. We want to see Nvidia get above 30.1, 30.2. There goes Tesla 380s. Let's see what we do here. I mean, this could be adjusted to that as well. I just had it there. Gonna want to see ES continue to hold this very tight uptrend. Very tight for the bulls. MNQ didn't take that? Alright. I guess I'm on MNQ today. You limiting contracts, or sometimes you need to reload historical data, Aramir. Sometimes that can give you different trades for some reason. So right click on the chart and reload the data. Because one time I didn't do that, or like I didn't refresh NinjaTrader or whatever, and I didn't get a trade that everyone else got in the chat. So that could be it. Looks like this one's gonna win. It's at least break even, so we'll take that. ES breaking down. So looks like that's, yeah, okay. So winner there. Again, I'd say call it. Did anyone else get that trade? MNQ? I feel like you should have gotten it. Like we're gonna stop break even. Got it. Consider like a one and done today, or just be careful. You guys obviously make your own decisions. but it is NFP day and it's a Friday, so usually, you know, you combine those. Also, U of M consumer sentiment, medium impact in 8 minutes. Okay, 8 minutes. So, you know, could be smart to do a one and done day. Even if small win, like this would probably only be like 150 bucks. But ES still charging at the highs. That would be like NQ being up at 70s, 80s right now. So we're lagging behind here. I like that 30-minute candle on ES. Didn't get stopped. Barely. Not yet. Tesla hit 380. It stopped, yeah, 150 bucks, so small win. I'd rather small win than no win though, right? Still barely holding this trend line. Again, medium impact in 6 minutes. Okay, just so everybody knows. Kind of breaking out there. There's Nvidia. All right, that's what we wanted to see for the bullish side. Fake breakout. A little liquidity sweep from these. Could be. That's a big candle. 20 points. It's a pretty big candle. Not what we want to see there on Nvidia. Long trade. I mean, I don't mind this trade for the fact that it is near the bottom of the range. So unless we start to dump right now, which looks like we are. So this could have just been a fake breakout to grab some liquidity up here, and now we're gonna just drop heavy. So stop is below this low, right at this blue fair value gap. So not a fan of this anymore. See how ES is breaking down, Nvidia breaking down. It looks like it was just, yep, fake breakout, and we're dumping now. Fake breakout, fake breakout. Not what we want to see there. I think a lot's happened in 25 minutes. It was really just those first 6 minutes though. It's been really choppy past 20. SBS update, probably not this weekend, but early next week. And we're dropping. Okay. Oh, that's annoying. I wanted to see us go up. Yep, and we're dropping hard. Okay. Literally just a fake breakout, and then now we're dumping, so. ES, yep, ES dumping as well. Okay. I mean, kind of what I predicted for the morning, but not what I wanted to see. I mean, we're down 60 points. ES did not break down nearly as hard as NQ. Jeez, NQ is dumping. Do we think we're gonna recover from here? I don't know. Oh, news in 1 minute. News in 1 minute. $885. Bug fixes, and there's new setups that you could use. Quite a big update. I know there's a stop loss issue right now that will be fixed. At least I haven't experienced anything to where it leaves you in like a one contract or something like that, but news. Holy sh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. That something happened. Don't trade news and that won't happen to you. Right after I mentioned that, that's funny. Don't trade news, that is crazy. That is definitely more than medium impact, dude. What the heck? That's crazy. That was dramatic, dude. Yep, A good example. That is not medium impact news, dude. That was the highest impact news I've ever seen. I mean, that's the biggest medium impact news I've ever witnessed before. I did not expect that. So we've dropped 200 points in 10 minutes. Gotta be, right? That's just stupid. A long trade on 32. Remember what we talked about with news, not trading. Also, what we mentioned with NFP day and just not trading today. Yikes. Yeah, this. Yeah, someone knew what was gonna go on, huh? Yeah, again, shouldn't be trading today anyway. I mean, that's my opinion, but... I mean, I kind of saw it coming because there's just so much, like, juice down here. Like, this is probably where we're going. So if you want to find a short trade, I mean, this is probably where we're going, 670s. So... will we recover this? I don't know. I don't know, man. Because we just took out, usually we don't take out the lows like that. Like if we sweep the data highs on the news event, which is up here at 9:30, usually we don't come back and take the lows out the same day. So yeah. I'm too stunned to speak. I mean, the equities and stuff didn't even drop that much. It's only ES and NQ. I mean, I guess the equities did drop a good amount, but I don't see us making this up. That's for sure. Hey, K-Soon. Good morning. And we're dumping. Okay. Back to it. We're in a 48 range long right now. Again, you should not be running the algos this morning, but this is all sim accounts. Hello, hello. Bitcoin didn't even drop that much. I mean, Bitcoin's completely separate, obviously, but We're gonna go to 670. I don't know what else to talk about this morning, to be honest. No trades on these two charts, and then down on these two charts on the left, but really should be sidelined, in my honest opinion. As we've mentioned, of course, right? I do not see us going back up today. I don't. Let's look at so up to equal lows there, 707. $30-minute fair value gap there. Also sub this low. I would hope that's low of day, but it's not. It's definitely not going to be. Man, that was not medium impact news. That's crazy. Someone definitely knew it was coming too, because Yeah, before the news, we dropped already 60, 70 points straight down. And then this candle came in. Bigger than the NFP candle, by the way. Yeah, I think low day is probably like 600 something. Yeah, something low sixes, but yeah, good levels. Really not interested in any of these gaps. Maybe 673. Maybe 920s to 900. But I don't see us going to any of those. Or I don't see us going to any of these above here. So, I don't know. I don't know. We need some good news before we start to move back up. There is general support and resistance kind of right at 695 though. Which also lines up right with this fair value gap. So I don't know if that would be low a day or not, but we need the equities to start turning around. Anyway, I think we are going to call that a day. It's been a pretty eventful morning. So we'll be back next week. Enjoy your weekend. Be safe. All right. and I will see everybody next week.